Hello guys, good morning. Andito pala tayo ngayon sa tapat ng City Hall guys, no? Walking. Ito po yung City Hall ng Tabuk City, Kalinga guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, makita ko sa inyo. Napakagandang City Hall guys, oh. Tabuk City, Kalinga. Tabuk City. Ayan naman yung Coliseum nila guys, yung gym nila. Ano, mayroon pang ano guys, ang tawag itong nagtitinda nito, yung mga basket. Ayun, oh, ang laki guys, oh. Ganda.
Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight, we'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. New horizons waiting for us, because we were made to go beyond.
And guys, thank you so much for watching. Ingat po kayo palagi, no, mga ka-idol natin dyan.